To mute all calls when Do Not Disturb is active on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification. Tap Do Not Disturb. Under Allow during Do Not Disturb section, tap Calls and Messages. Under Also Allow section, tap Calls and then select None. Tap the back key to save your selection. By doing this, your phone will mute all incoming calls while the Do Not Disturb mode is on, except the calls from those you have put in the exception list. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.